Hello, hello. Oh my goodness. I was thinking actually this morning that it would be fun to do a review of a week or a month or hell, even a year. Because I certainly have opinions and ideas about how I feel about how things went. Oh, pardon the Wawa, sorry. My little Chihuahua Lucy, who you hear in or see sometimes in videos, you're hearing her right now. She has bronchitis, chronic bronchitis. She is almost 14 years old, and she was diagnosed with chronic bronchitis in 2000. She was born in 2010, but she was diagnosed in 2018. Was it 2018? No, it couldn't have been 2018. It had to have been 2017. Either 2016 or 2017 is when she was diagnosed, but she has a unpleasantness of having to hack up phlegm from her little lungs and get that out. I mean, which it sounds horrible, but it's good she's doing that. I mean, she's getting it out. Unfortunately, because it's chronic bronchitis, it just continues to build up, and she has to continue to hack, and it's a whole situation. It's a lot of fun in public, because people are like, oh my god. I'm like, yeah, that's why we're wearing masks, okay? Just kidding. We wear masks because we need to for my protection, and for everyone else's protection. I have lupus, and even though lupus is not contagious, other people may have something that is, so I'd rather just kind of be on the extra when it comes to protection. So, but yeah, so my idea is to review weeks or months or years or whatever. I like reviewing things. It doesn't matter what it is, I'll review it. If you want me to review your YouTube channel, warning, I will be honest, feel free to let me know, and you can let me know in the comment section, you can email me, whatever you want to do. You can direct message me on Instagram. So all of my links are always on the link tree below. Just click link tree and boom, it'll take you to all my links, and there's a lot of them. I was asked how many YouTube channels that I have. I have 7 active YouTube channels. Yep. One for every day of the week. Yeah, and you can go to the link tree to check out all the different channels that I have, because they're all there if you're interested about gaming, art, randomness, poetry. There's quite a few things going on. I have a lot of interest. I'm very eclectic in that way. But yeah, I am almost at 2,000 subscribers. Holy camoly. That is so wild to me. This channel has taken some lulls in the past because there have just been times in my life where filming was not something that I could really wrap my head around. So, and so I've had to take a few breaks. Unfortunately, with chronic illness, sometimes that has to be in the forefront and taking charge of what's going on. So, but now things are going really good, and I'm able to make content and get videos out there to you and post and all that stuff. My videos are scheduled, so you might see a video that like is filmed 2 weeks ago or a month ago, or depending on how enthusiastic I am about filming, even possibly a year ago. I try to get videos out in relevancy to what's going on. So like if a movie just, you know, premiered on a streaming service, and if we've watched it and I've reviewed it, I try to get that video out as soon as possible, because then it has more of an option or opportunity to have people find that video and be able to check it out if they're interested. There are a lot of people out there on YouTube reviewing a lot of stuff, especially movies, so I understand that I may not be, you know, one that sticks out amongst the group of people who review things, but that's okay. I'm a very unique individual in a lot of ways, so might as well have a unique channel, right? And have a unique group of supporters, and that's what I appreciate about all you, is the people who choose to spend time with me are people who, you know, truly want to spend time with people. They're not people who are trying to cause grief or cause rifts or be insulting or anything like that. Y'all are all so kind and supportive, and that's why when anyone leaves a comment, I immediately click the person's YouTube name, check out if they have a channel. If they have a channel, I support it. I try to subscribe to that channel. I try to follow the content of that channel to the best of my abilities. I am just, you know, a chronically ill individual, so I watch as many videos and support as many people as I possibly can. Now that might mean that I have one person playing on the computer, one person playing on the iPad, one person playing on my phone. And all of them, you know, load volume with the captions on so I can read and keep up with what's going on. But I do give everyone a comment, I give everyone a thumbs up, and I give everyone a full view from beginning to end. I am watching on a YouTube Premium account, so you get a little extra for the view, especially a full view. So, and I don't get commercials, thankfully, because otherwise it would take me twice as long. And I spend hours each day supporting content intentionally to try to help boost people. I've had this channel since 2013, and I am still not monetized because I don't have the watch time. And I understand that I could go live and do all that stuff. I mean, I know the things that I could do to boost the views up, you know, trade watch playlists, and I know all that kind of stuff. But honestly, like, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm on disability. I have the means to pay my bills with the disability that I get and to feed myself. So, you know, if this only remains, you know, something that's unmonetized, well, then that's okay too. Because honestly, if I couldn't get the watch hours naturally by just people flowing through my content, I wouldn't be able to keep up with the watch hours once I hit that mark anyway. So, and you do have to keep that up, or you're gonna lose your monetization. I know, because my spouse lost her monetization in that way. So, you know, because she put a ton of videos that were public on private, or deleted some too, and yeah, now she's not getting the views to, you know, be monetized. That's how YouTube changed it, and, you know, that's okay. Every business can decide what they do and do not want to do. But I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for those who have been supporting my channels, who watch my videos from beginning to end. That means a lot to me. I try to keep my videos precise, to the point, pretty short, or as short as I can. I know sometimes I drift off a little bit and make what should be 2-minute video a 5-minute video. But I figure, well, because most of the people that I watch make 20-minute videos. So I know that for those of you who create content, who are supporting other content creators, there's only so much time in your day. So I want to keep my stuff pretty short, other than this video, which we're at under 10 minutes right now. So I feel like that's reasonable for those who are interested. And I understand some people are just maybe wanting to, you know, check out the reviews, and totally cool. I am speaking about reviews for the future. But yeah, let me know what you think about the reviewing, maybe a week or a month. Maybe every month would be a good thing, and I can make notes and break it all down, spend some time, because I know that my videos are short. But maybe if I could throw in a longer video like this every now and then, maybe that wouldn't be a bad thing. Oh, my battery light is blinking. I'm feeling really good today. I've been sick all week, like so sick. To where I am on a bland food diet. We're talking potatoes, we're talking bread, we're talking rice, and lots of water to keep my hydration, because I really just don't need to get dehydrated. That's the last thing that I need. So I figured since I'm recovering and feeling good, this is a good time to talk to y'all, because I've been thinking about this, and this morning I really was thinking a lot about it. So figured it was time to have the conversation. I hope y'all are doing good. If you stayed to this point in the video, oh my goodness, you're a champion. Thank you so much. I appreciate you spending the time with me. For those who might, oh, I got this on Amazon. I'll see if I can find it. If I can, I'll link it below. These earrings were made by Lisa and I. Sometimes while we're watching TV or a movie, we'll make some earrings because we fancy like that. If you stayed to this point in the video, please let me know somehow by putting a let's see, how about a purple heart emoji, if you wouldn't mind. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, if you ever have any questions for me or whatever, let me know, because I could incorporate answers into the review of the whatever it's going to wind up being, week, month. Like I said, probably month, I guess, because week might be too much. I used to do vlogging, and it got to be a lot after a while. And I did it for like over 10 years every day. And it got to be a lot. So I changed that channel to my poetry channel, and I think that was the right move for me. Anyway, my light's blinking, so I gotta go. Thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if not, well, hopefully tomorrow is going to be better. Until then.